تو یہ پکڑ جل میں بولے سوال میرے تو کر کے نہیں حالی تو گراؤنڈ دکھا میں میرے تو گھما ہوا تھا گراؤنڈ گھما ہوا تھا انڈیا आज इंग्लिश में पढ़े साहब
चलो
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The name of Allah, who is the merciful and especially merciful. All praise due to Allah, who is the Lord of the world. We will worship always and ask for help always. Inshallah, we are come to the ground. We are come to see the ground and decided the semi-final. I am Jaji Khan, with me my brother Dr. Fiaz Hussain. We have seen the ground, all sides, leg sides, straight sides and off sides. We decided the ground is okay for the semi-final. We decided the semi-final will be played tomorrow inshallah in this ground. Tomorrow semi-final will be played between the Jio Takbir and Salman C versus Salman C. All the teams have a good players. One big semi-final tomorrow will be played in this ground. You all come with this spirit and enjoy the semi-final. All the people from Basti Khokhrah, we are very thankful. All the people, children, young generation, old men, girls, no girls, children, young generation and old man, we have loved us and supported us in this tournament. The tournament committee, Jaji Khan and Dr. Fiaz Hussain, instead to organize the tournament better than better, inshallah, every year. Tomorrow will be played the semi-final, inshallah, in this ground between the Salman C and versus Jio Takbir. Tomorrow you all come this ground and enjoy the semi-final. We congratulate our captain, our team, Hassan 11, for reaching the final. We pray that you win the final, inshallah, Hassan 11. All the people of the Basti Khokhrah, thankful to you. Tomorrow, Tuesday at 5 o'clock, in this ground, semi-final will be played, inshallah Aziz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
आज वाली वीडियो मैंने नहीं थी, बस तेरी करनी मेरे काट दी,